In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a video in Google Drive without downloading. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to Google Drive in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the video you want to watch. You can find it in My Drive, shared with me, or by using the search bar at the top. Now, double-click the video file directly. Google Drive will automatically open its built-in video player right inside your browser window. Give it a few seconds to load. Once the player appears, click the play button in the center of the screen or use the play icon in the lower left corner to start streaming the video instantly without downloading it. If you want a larger view, click the full screen icon in the bottom right corner of the player. You can also click the settings gear icon in the lower right to adjust playback speed or change the video quality. If captions are available, click the subtitles or closed captions icon to enable them. Another way to open the video player is by right-clicking the file, selecting Open With, then choosing Preview. If the video does not load properly, make sure third-party cookies are enabled in your browser settings. You can also open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N, then log in there and open the video again to check if browser extensions are causing playback issues. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.